Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my show, the Anabolic Foodie Show. And brought to you by me, Manny. And in today's episode we're making Anabolic pumpkin spice muffins. This recipe is easy to make, but it does require an ingredient that might be out of season. But if you do have the ingredient, you're in for a real treat. This is one of my favorite muffins. This recipe, it is in my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. Okay guys, don't forget to share and like the video. Alright guys, this recipe does make 6 medium-sized muffins. Okay ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video with the Anabolic pumpkin spice muffins. Okay guys, the first ingredient is going to be 72 grams of whey protein vanilla. Okay guys, let's get our mixing bowl and put 72 grams of vanilla protein. 72 grams. Then we add 42 grams of coconut flour. Okay guys, 42 grams of coconut flour. We're also going to need 3 grams of baking powder. Okay, 3 grams. Okay, on the dot, 3 grams, cool. Alright guys, 3 grams of baking powder. We're also going to need a pinch of salt. There it goes, pinch of salt. We are also going to need 12 grams of sweetener. Okay guys, 12 grams of sweetener. There we go. And this is the ingredient that might be out of season. Is a pumpkin spice jello mix. This thing is so good guys. We're gonna need 28 grams. Okay guys, 28 grams on the dot, okay? 28. Okay guys, now that we got all our dry ingredients in the bowl, we can mix it a little bit before we get our wet ingredients in there, so we can mix very well. For our next ingredient, we're gonna have to put 125 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt. Okay guys, remember 125 grams of the Greek yogurt, okay? Our next ingredient, we're gonna need 180 grams of 100% pure pumpkin. Okay guys, 180 grams. Next ingredient, we're gonna need 135 grams of regular water. Okay guys, we're just gonna have to blend this with the blender. Okay, it's done blending. Should be in that consistency. Man, this thing smells so good guys. I wish you guys were here to smell it or taste it. There's. Okay guys, preheat the oven at 350 degrees. This recipe makes 6 medium-sized muffins. So this is the muffin tin I'm using, and put oil spray on it so they won't stick. There you go. There it goes. Perfect. Okay guys, start scooping it in there, and we should put it in the oven in a little bit. Go ahead. Okay guys, so we already finished assembling it, and we're gonna have to put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay guys, preheat it at 350 for 30 minutes. Here we go. And we'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, perfect guys. 30 minutes are up. You should smell the house. It smells so good guys. And they're all ready. Turn the oven off. Let them cool down a little bit. Okay, we're gonna have to let them cool down for like an hour. Look at those muffins guys. They smell so good. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite ones. This ones and the lemon ones are one of my favorite ones. So we'll be back in an hour when they cool down. They're very hot. They've been in the oven for 30 minutes, so let's cool them down for an hour. Usually just leave them right here cooling down for an hour, and then in an hour we'll be back and give you guys the macros and the taste test. Alright guys, they're completely cooled down now, and it's time to try them now. Check them out. Check them out, guys. 6 muffins. It makes 6 muffins. We're gonna try them out right now and see what we think about it. This is one of my favorite ones. I know you guys are gonna love it too. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that muffin right there. This is one of my favorite muffins. You should smell it. It smells so good, guys. And they're so low in calories, guys. They're so low in calories. And with this, you're gonna be able to lose weight. I eat these all the time, almost every single night, and I love these. This is my favorite one. Let's try them out, guys. Let's try it out. Wow. Man, I can't get tired of this. This is one of my favorite recipes. I cannot get tired of this one. This one and the lemon ones are my favorite ones. This thing is so good, guys. You guys have to try this recipe. Try it out, guys. Tag me on Facebook. Say you got it from me. Believe me, you guys are gonna love this. This thing is one of my favorite muffins. Man, I haven't ate all day. I'm hungry. This thing is so good, guys. Man, damn. Just try it, guys. Believe me. Man, this is so good. Okay, guys. If you eat the whole 6 of them, it's gonna be 670 calories, 75 protein, 9 fat, 15 fiber, and 72 carbs. And you might eat the whole 6 of them because they're that good, and it's not a lot of calories for 6 muffins. But for one, if you just eat one, it's 112 calories, 12 protein, 2 fat, 7 fiber, and 12 carb. Those are really good macros, guys. Those numbers are not too chubby if you ask me. Okay, guys, just the recipe. It is in my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. Alright, guys, we're at the end of the episode. Remember, all the strong subscribe and share, like, and buy.